Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm actually doing a video that was requested from one of you guys, and it is a kind of like a back to work summer makeup tutorial. So right now and for the rest of the summer until September, me and my company are going to be working from home, so I'm not actually going back into the office, but I wanted to do a video anyway on the makeup that I would be wearing if I was going into the office every day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and let's just go ahead and get started. There is something on my contact lens and I just don't want to get up right now and try and take it out, but it's like disrupting my vision. I'm gonna start with this Milani Soft Focus Glow Primer. I've been using it in a ton of videos lately, so you guys are probably tired of seeing it. I'm filming this video in June, and I think it might not be posted until July, so this is why I'm using this product, because it's part of my June makeup stash. I actually don't like to use foundation in the summer. I tend to stick towards more tinted moisturizers, BB creams, CC creams, those types of products. But today, I think I'm just gonna go in with some concealer because it's actually like the evening when I'm filming this. I actually just finished my work day, so I don't really feel like putting on a full face of makeup right now. But this is what I would do last year when I was going into the office on hot summer days. So I just like to use a little bit of concealer. This is my L'Oreal Age Perfect Concealer in the shade Creamy Beige. So I use it under my eyes, kind of around my nose, mouth area, and on my chin. And I think I'm also going to use it on just some spots on my face that I feel like are maybe a little bit more pigmented than others. At my office, people don't really wear makeup. I feel like I'm one of the few people that actually like wears makeup to work. I also work in an office, so this is kind of more geared towards like office makeup, so neutral, nothing too colorful. And yeah, I just always feel a little strange being like the one person who actually puts on makeup every day. I don't know if that's gonna change now that I've been working from home so often. I just don't even know if I wanna go back to like wearing makeup every single day, you know? I also already did my eyebrows, so I'm not going to show you guys that on camera, but I did just fill them in with my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And of course, this isn't like total coverage, it's still kind of showing my skin, but I kind of like that because, like I said, not a lot of people wear makeup in my office space, so it's I don't want to like be wearing a full mask, I guess. And I feel like in summer it's better anyways, because then I'm not going to be sweating off my makeup, and you know, I'm gonna feel like I have less on my face, which will be good for the summer. I'm going to add some bronzer. This is my Physicians Formula Sculpting Bronzer, and this is in the shade Toffee. I think it's like the only shade they have, which kind of sucks. It's a really terrible shade range, but it works really well for my skin tone. So if you're of a similar color to me, you might really like this bronzer. I also just love cream bronzers. It's just such a summery product, like creams in general. I've been really enjoying this Physicians Formula recently. It blends out really easily, and it's pretty quick to apply as well, because I know when I'm going into the office, I have like 15 minutes to get my makeup on. I try and do everything like makeup, hair, dress, breakfast, coffee in like an hour when I leave in the morning. I really only give myself that much time to do everything. So this is also going to be just a very quick, like a 15-minute makeup look. And then for blush, I'm going to use my Cheek Heat blush from Maybelline. This is in the shade Rose Flush. I'm really into blush lately. I think I've mentioned it on my channel before. I just love having like an overly blushed look. Sometimes it makes me look like I'm just like really red in the face, or I got a really bad sunburn, but I still like it. And I also feel like blush kind of fades throughout the day, so it looks really intense when I first apply it, but then by the end of the day it's kind of, you know, faded a little bit. That's just like me trying to justify how I over blush my face all the time. I also always like to get my nose and my chin because I feel like it balances out my complexion a little bit and it gives me that more natural blushed look, so it makes me look like I got too much sun versus just having like really obvious blush on my cheeks. I'm going to set my under eye area with my Milani Prep Set and Glow powder. I have a pretty long work day. When I am going into the office, it's like almost a 12, well, it's like an 11-hour day. So I leave my house at 7 and I get home between 5:30 and 6. So it's a pretty long day, and that's why I need to set my face. If you don't have such a long day, you probably can get away with not setting your makeup, especially if you're only wearing concealer. But for me, like, I have to because I just want my makeup to last as long as possible. And for the eyes, I want to keep things very minimal, very simple. So I'm going to use my Covergirl Trunaked Queenship shadow stick in the shade 930. It's a beautiful bronzy color, and I'm going to use that all over my upper lid and just blend it in with my finger. Like I said, I have to kind of keep things, I guess I don't have to, but I work in a more like professional environment and I like to keep things more neutral, so I try to stay away from colorful eyeshadows and intense lipsticks. There are days when I do wear a red, but it's pretty rare. And I'm also going to use some brown eyeliner on my lower lash line. This is my waterproof, I think it is. Yeah, waterproof Lasting Drama eyeliner from Maybelline, and it's in the shade Glazed Toffee. It's actually really tiny. I need to get a new one. I really like the Maybelline waterproof eyeliners. I have pretty watery eyes, so I kind of need to make sure I'm using waterproof. Even if it's on my upper waterline, or my upper lid, not waterline, it still has to be waterproof. So I just applied some on my lower lash line and then on my upper lash line as well. And I'm going to smudge it in with just a brush, just so it's not as clean. I want it to be a little bit messier. Then just some mascara. I've been using this one lately. It's the Too Faced Damn Girl mascara. It came in like a sample. I have like 3 of these. I don't remember how or why I got them, but I opened one, so now I'm just kind of trying to use it up. And I'm going to apply some mascara to my lower lash line and then my upper lashes as well. And the last thing to do is lipstick. I was going to use my NYX Dazed and Diffused lipstick in Girls Trip, but I feel like I've been wearing it in all of my recent videos, so I'm gonna actually go in with my Colourpop Ultra Blotted lipstick in the shade Vitamin C, and that is the completed look. Okay, so that is my quick and easy, back to work, office ready summer makeup look. This is what I would be wearing if I was not working from home this summer. I forgot, I was gonna set my face. I knew I was missing something. I wanna just use my Catrice HD Active Performance Freezing Spray. It's like a really strong smelling spray. I kind of forgot. I haven't used this one in a while and I forgot how strong it is, and now I look super greasy. I always spray my face in the morning because, like I said earlier, I have a pretty long makeup day, and especially if I'm going out after work, well, like not now, but like if I was going out after work, I just feel better when I have a spray on. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. Thank you guys as always for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Please subscribe if you would like to see more videos, and I will see you in my next one.